Introducing the new and improved Sonny's Pay Station. Built from 100% stainless steel construction with a powder-coated finish, this product delivers more functionality, more security, and more uptime. The built-in security door swings all the way open and locks into place, providing the perfect location for marketing to your customers waiting in line. When they reach the machine, customers are greeted by a 17-inch touchscreen and multiple payment options, including credit card, gift card, cash, and wash club. It's easy to program to sell club plans, upsells, and promos. Customers can also purchase gift cards right at the machine and receive their card in seconds. The built-in scanner can handle coupons and wash club cards as well. Wash Club members are automatically alerted if their credit card is nearing expiration and can update their card information right at the pay station. When the two heavy-duty locks are open, the interior reveals a well-thought-out, temperature-controlled environment for the smartest pay station on the market. The insulated interior is controlled by both air conditioning and heating to ensure that your pay station is ready and running in the most extreme temperatures. Sonny's Pay Station eliminates all proprietary boards. Instead, every component inside the pay station is individually connected with a plug-and-play USB connection for simple troubleshooting and repair, and operators receive alerts remotely regarding any issue. The onboard backup power supply ensures that your pay station remains up and running, even in the event of an on-site power failure. Employees can service the machine's interior components such as receipt paper, and the added security bar protects the cash even when the machine is open. Contact Sonny's Car Wash Controls today and upgrade to the all-new Sonny's Pay Station.